Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel, and today guys we'll work on 2015 Ford E150. This particular model comes with 4.6 liters engine, and what we're gonna do is we are going to drain and refill the transmission. Here is the dipstick. If you guys wanna check your transmission fluid level. So yeah, let's start the job. Let's go under the car, and here is the well pan. Unfortunately, this well pan does not have a drain plug. To remove the well pan bolts, you need to take a 10 millimeter socket and a little gun or a wrench, which one is more comfortable for you, and take most of them out and leave two because, like I said, remember there is no plug, drain plug. Once you remove the bolts, then you'll have a major fluid leak like this in the video. So make sure you have something to drain in, and also cover as much you can surface under the truck because it's going to be very messy. So I put a cardboard and some towels. Yeah guys, like I said, it was really messy. I got all over my clothes and everything. I don't get it why Ford, Fomoco did not put a drain in that oil pan. I guess that's a good question to leave it for you guys. You can leave your comment below if you know why. Next step is to remove the oil filter, the transmission fluid filter. It doesn't have any screws. You just gonna twist it and it comes out. It comes already from dealer with the seal too. You don't have to do anything. Once we got the filter out, we definitely want to wipe the old fluid around the transmission and prepare everything for the new filter, of course, and the gasket. Let me actually show you later my parts, my new parts. I got everything from the dealer. I got a fluid filter, oil filter. I got the actual fluid, and also I got the oil pan gasket. We are going to use the original oil pan because the customer wanted to keep it original. But also a heads up, guys, you can find a new oil pan that has actually a drain, comes with a drain plug, which makes your future maintenance very easy on kind of transmission. So think about it. Next step is going to be to lubricate the new seal, and then make sure you're pouring the new filter in the right spot. Make sure you also it's clicking in. It's a kind of like uh, snaps in so it doesn't come out easier. Make sure you're pushing it all the way in. Yeah guys, so pretty much this is it for the filter. Now it's time to put the clean washed oil pan. As you see in the video, you can see my brand new gasket. It's also really cool to have a new gasket that makes sense for every time when you will work on any kind of oil pans, even for engine. You definitely want to buy a brand new gasket because it's gonna, you will evit any kind of oil leak on your oil pan. Once you got the well pan on, you can go around and place each screw back. Don't tie them up yet. Make sure you are aligning the well pan with the transmission so it doesn't have any gaps around hanging out. Once you got them in and the well pan is aligned, you can tie them up again, not too tight, because you guys can look actually on the internet or get it from the dealer, the amount of torques that you have to tie these bolts. I'm just going to tie them a little bit good, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the special tool and give them the right torques to make sure I tie them right. So let's go ahead and finish this, and then probably we are good to go to refill the whole transmission with the new fluid and see how it goes. And of course, for the end, make sure before filling up the transmission you got all the bolts in and they are right tied up, and you have no damage around on the gasket, and you're good to go to fill up the transmission fluid. So to add fluid, you need to take the dipstick out and get a funnel and fill up the transmission fluid for the beginning, about 5 quarts. The dealer told me that this kind of truck, van, takes about 6 quarts. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up with 5, and then start the car, warm up the transmission at the right temperature, and give it a try, see what's the transmission fluid level. And then if I need, I can add actually another quart, which is very easy to add then take out. Remember guys how hard it is to take this fluid out. So like I said, it's better to make sure you add the right amount than exceed the right amount. So yeah, I'll do 5, and then let's go ahead and see what's going on after. I'm going to start the truck, and you guys can see in the video I did check before, and then of course I'm going to check it after. And right now on the video the truck is working, and I'll show it to you what's actually the level right now. I did also add another half a quart, and actually the fluid is at the right measurement, which means it's the right amount of fluid that I needed to add in my transmission. Alright guys, this is it. The video is done. Hopefully it was helpful for you and your also truck or a van. This also video, it's applied for the F-150. Comment below, subscribe if you are first time here, and see you next time.